Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we need to try to determine whether this first push down right here is an A or a 1. This is definitely a correction right here. Is this either a B or a 2? Now we're either in a wave 3 or wave C. Now, based on the daily time frame, I still think there's a chance it could be an ABC correction to the uptrend. It could just be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3, and this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and then eventually it makes a 4, 5 of wave C. But it also potentially could turn into a 1, 2, 3, kind of like this. Let me adjust my screen, kind of like this. So if it's a 1, 2, 3, it potentially will still bounce from fib levels, but it will not break structure. It will just maintain momentum to the downside. If it's a wave C, then it will likely go down to one of the appropriate Fibonacci levels for a wave C, which is normally around the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, and it will likely do like a double bottom and a break a structure. If you see that double bottom break a structure at the appropriate Fibonacci levels for a wave C, and then I definitely would take it as a long because the higher time frames are telling us that there's a good chance that it will continue up. So pay attention to your fib levels and try to determine whether you're looking at a wave 3 or whether you're looking at a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.